Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Entertaining. If you like White Russians, you'll love these cocktails. Breakfast. If you're really looking for a morning jolt, this energy drink cocktail from bartender and author Steph Russ can deliver it tenfold. Black Russian. Black and white cookie. White Russian. Chocolate-covered cherry. Russian Quaalude. Mudslide.
Take our lead.
A White Russian without vodka has two different names, the brown cow or the dirty cow. One version of the drink is to pour equal parts coffee liqueur and cream on the rocks. Adding a few dashes of chocolate syrup makes the drink a brown cow from hell.
Take our lead.
The Dracula's Kiss is a haunting and easy drink for your signature cocktail at your next Halloween bash. It is nothing more than black cherry vodka, grenadine, and cola. This makes it, essentially, a spiked cherry Coke.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The rich, Moorish flavor of sweet coffee liqueur tempered with a dollop of cream tastes like a grown-up iced coffee. Because it's a sweet but not overly sweet drink, the White Russian is excellent to sip on its own, or if you want to treat yourself, would be a fantastic match for this beautiful coffee toffee cheesecake.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.